Loud. Loud. Mm. Come on, people. Let's go. Good evening. Good evening. Bring the positivity. Let's go. It's here. Gary, you know I want pumps. Always. Especially when I'm long. Yeah, we look good. We look really good. I'm glad we could reclaim $20,000 again right away. Let's go, Hakeem. Positive vibes. Matic is a monster. Matic looks really good. Look at these bubbles. Are we up to date? Yeah, Matic is like the third biggest bubble on here, right? Well, Matic is Polygon. Thanks, Celsius. Yeah, that's annoying, James. Damn. So you had your Matic in Celsius and it's gone? Let's go, Bodok. How are you? Good evening. Hello. Welcome. Can we hold? That's the question, right? So, yeah, I mean, we talked about this all day today, right? I think a lot of people felt like that, right? Like we would rally today. Why? I mean, we talked about how, right? If you notice how gas prices go down in like this month, so, right, there are a lot of people feeling like we might peak in July. So again, CPI data was bad this month, right? Even CNBC saying it, right? So we might peak. The next report we get, we might have peaked this month, right? And that's exciting for people. So you might see a little bit of FOMO, right? So we sold off and then we rallied. So there's a little bit of but again, it's way too early to tell. So yeah. Again, welcome. Don't forget to smash a like. Why are these bubbles so slow? I think it's because I have them on the daily. Let's do the 5. I like the daily bubbles better because kind of gives you an idea of just want these bubbles dancing around. And then of course we have the whales. They go at night. Look at that. 20. Look at this, guys. We are pumping. I mean, like Bitcoin is pumping. We are what? We're pumping. Part of the Disney. Yeah. So again, Matic is pumping because of that. So that was posted in Discord earlier today. We're going. We're thrusting. We're on the rockets to where? To win Lambo. Where's my charger? I have no idea where my charger is. I'm gonna have to find it soon. Anyways, we're going. We're going. So if you're long, you're celebrating. Well, you're happy-ish because it's hopeful, right? It's hopeful. Because we were concerned about the fact that we broke below $20,000 into CPI, but everything's for the most part played out the way we talked about, right, Gary? For the most part, right? Again, sell off into CPI. Why? Because people panic, right? People are concerned about data that's caused the market to crash previously, so they panic, right? So again, sell off into CPI. Someone just sold $1.5 million worth of Bitcoin, and then so again, panic into data, and then when the data is over, we rally, right? So Gary, that's James. That's unfortunate, honestly. They just announced bankruptcy according to CNBC. That's frustrating, honestly. Like you just lost all of your Matic, and look what Matic is doing there. And there's absolutely nothing you can do, right? Damn, that's annoying. For my you beat CIO calls, yeah, I know you do. I know you do. I know you do. Let's go, Oscar. I hope we go for a nice run all night long. So, uh, hope we go all night long, all night long. Let me see if we can get the stream here. Let's see. Give me a quick second, guys, and I should be ready to go. La, la, la. Uh, la, la, la. Uh, let's see here. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Let's see. Let's go. Um, oh yeah, we're selling off a little bit here, but I don't think that really matters. So Guru Heyo, long time no see. Where have you been, Guru? So our next wall here is 20,400, right? So that would be the next level to watch. I know we're just watching these whale transactions go through there. Um, but if you have any questions, just let me know. We'll pull up the chart and take a look as well. I think we're all quite aware of what the next level of resistance is for the most part. This level right here, 20,400, right? So that's a wall. That's the next Bitcoin wall there, right? So right there. It's not a coincidence that we're failing at that level. We've talked about this quite a bit as well, right? Against the 20,400 would be the next level to break, and then go from there. Um, Someone just bought $1.2 million worth of Bitcoin. $1.2 million worth of Bitcoin. Don't forget to smash a like, guys, if you haven't already. Smash a like, hit that subscribe if you're new, blah, 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 blah. Been working like crazy to recover your buys for BTC 18. Yeah, Guru. Nice. Not bad. What do you add there? Okay. Question for you guys in the chat. I know we're just getting started and whatnot. Yes or no? Yes or no? Do you think the bottom is in for Bitcoin? Yes or no? Just you know, doesn't have to be anything serious. Just let me know. Yes or no? Do you think the bottom is in? Yes. See. No. We. No. Let me know. Nah. You prayed the bottom was 18s earlier today. Yeah. Yeah, that would be nice. Again, we talked about hopefully rallying into the next meeting. So banks report earnings tomorrow and Friday. So that's going to be something to look at as well. Pay attention to, right? Because we know these guys are going to be for the most part bearish. because we've seen those sentiment already. It's they put out guidance already, and it's not exactly the greatest. So we'll see what they say tomorrow and Friday, and then go from there. I need glasses. No, not earlier. Oh, 2 weeks back. Yeah, yeah. $18,000. Yeah, 17.5 was the level we hit. Yeah, I mean, I was hoping we would sell off to that 17.5, Guru, and create a double bottom and then get back above 20. That would signal a potential nice bottom, right? Nice double bottom rally. So we'll see. Look at that. Someone just sold $1.2 million of the Bitcoin. I bet you it's the same person, right? So these are just whales transacting, right? Taking little profits here and there, collecting the monies and running. Collect the money and run. Take the monies and run. Um, Hopefully Bitcoin isn't below $20,000 by tomorrow morning. That would be a little bit annoying, but yeah. Yeah. No, BTI. If we can hold these gains there, John, BTIO should look good for you tomorrow. Tomorrow, and some monies. And then Matic is another one. Matic has done really well. Um, if you're holding Matic and you have a question, just let me know. Hello, I canceled and I was looking for you. He's supposed to tell you. If you don't stop streaming, I will roast you like a goat. Probably what he said, Peter. Probably. Probably what he said. No, Matic has been on, like, Matic has just been going and going. So there's actually news for Matic, right? News with Disney. So Matic is up 20%. Matic is a top gainer here. Wow. 65 cents? Wow. Matic is a monster. I'll tell you at the end of the month, but looks better after a dip was less severe. Yeah, Gary, especially after, is Matic done? Is Matic done? I know Matic has a potential. Let me take a look at the chart for Matic here. And so Matic has news, so that's. Can you see that screen? No, you can't. um, nah. Slide. Nah. Nah. I'll tell you the Joaquin. Nope. Yeah, let me take a look at Matic here. Bitcoin is at $20,250. Again, we feel that our resistance there at 20,400. No surprise, right? If I take a look at Matic, where's Matic? Matic is somewhere on the list here. Yeah, a little bit annoying because I was long Matic this morning. After the big crash, Gary. Like I took a Matic long position. Um, as well crashing because of CPI data, and that thing fell hard. So I took a position, and it wouldn't stop dropping. So I'm like, you know what? I will come back to this later. I will get rid of it and come back to this later, right? Maddie just said, yeah, thank you very much for exiting. It sold off, right? Uh, you know, so but look at where it is now. That's the thing. Look at where it is now. From 55 cents, that's monies. Is this is it the new Mario card? I have no idea. I wonder if we can search it up. The new Disney. Yeah, I wonder if I can search it up. I'll try finding something. But anyways, like Matic looks very similar to Bitcoin. Matic has done its own thing here though, which is impressive. There's also a lot of resistance here for Matic, right? In between like 55 and 70 cents. So I would be a little bit cautious, right? If I put a line all the way across here on Matic, you can see that 65 is an issue, right? So we've filled at this level a few times already in the past year, right? 70 being another level there to watch, almost like every 70 and then 80 cents there be to another level. I don't know if I would fall into Matic now. Right? Maybe on a nice dip and consolidation, and then again, so either we dip and consolidate, right, or we break out, right? Again, we sell off and then break above that resistance, and then okay, cool, right? Like if I'm watching this, right, and we're doing this, Like we're failing right there, and then selling off and consolidating, and then breaking out again. That's what I'd be looking for, right? So again, like you pump like that and hit a high, and then you sell off, consolidate. Like you're not really crashing, you're just consolidating, and then as soon as you start break pushing again, that potentially is a FOMO level to look at, right? So stuff like that for Matic. Yeah, no, Matic is done really well, really well. Am I on the 1 minute? I am. Anyway, so that's Matic there, guys. That looks really good. I'm gonna put up Bitcoin here. Right, so come on, are we ready to thrust again? Go, 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 go. Go, go, go. Yeah, I'll see if I can look up something, Gary. And perfect. For Tuba. Who's gonna short Matic? We're gonna short Matic on double top incoming. Yeah. No thanks. No thanks. I don't want stress. We need it. No stress, please. Um, and then back to the whale transactions here. These are Mindy's friends accounts, right? Look at that. Someone just buys $100,000 worth of Bitcoin. Someone just buys, $500,000 worth of Bitcoin. Yeah. No thanks, Peter. I don't want stress. Not this time of the night like this. I don't want stress, please. I don't want violence. I don't want to be fighting an uphill battle. No, again, that's a nice top though for Matic. Really nice top. Might be a level to watch for potential shorting. Trust fund kids. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just joking. Don't encourage him. All right, Peter. I'm trying to get over this. Look at that. Someone just sells $800,000 worth of Bitcoin, right? Just like that. It's like, you want me to sell some Bitcoins? Yeah, damn right. All the monies minus the monies. All the monies. No, Bitcoin's done well. I'm impressed. Like, I am genuinely impressed. The way we looked earlier this morning, crashing to 18. To reclaim $20,000 was a big test, and then we have 20,400. So that would be the next level to watch. We feel that level once already today, right? This level again, 20,400. Not a surprise. See if we can reclaim that. Are we just creating a nice cup and handle? Maybe, 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 maybe. Let's see. I mean, he's let's see, numbers up more than gains. No. Interesting. Gains are low, 85. Okay, cool. Come on, Matic. Bitcoin. Mindy's monies don't jiggle. Mindy's monies don't jiggle. My monies don't jiggles. It folds. Nah. Oi, Bitcoin, where you going? Where you going? It folds. It vanishes. Oh no. It vanishes. There we go. Hey, is anyone in the chat on shorting Matic? Michael says, anybody shorting Matic? Is anyone shorting Matic, guys? Anyone? Anyone? Please Abyss. Please Abyss. Let's see. Matic. What's Matic doing? Matic. Ooh, tiny position, so you can track it. Okay, sounds good. You're short. Okay, I set up a ledger. Just need to wait 24 hours to transfer over. Okay, I tried to short Matic and got burned twice, so I went for a long this time. It has turned to my most successful trade so far. Yeah, don't fight it. Don't fight it, right? So tiny position. Yeah, don't fight it. Technically, yes, I am. You are shorting. Okay, sounds good. Technically, it retraces back to you in. Like if it retraces back to like 65 to short Michael, you're shorting. Okay, okay, sounds good. Yeah, I mean Matic has done a lot. Should I have a position, Save Moon? No, she did not. Matic has done a lot, right? It's done a lot. So, um, let me take a look again. When you take a look at Matic on the, right. So if we pull up Matic again here, uh, right, and you take a look at the bigger time frame. Oh, interesting. Matic looks. If you take a look at the bigger time frame here, so let's say the 4 hour chart on Matic. I mean, and you really zoom out, Matic is sitting at a lot of resistance, right? So, but that thing looks strong. I mean, it looks strong, strong, strong. We'll see what it does, right? You pull up the daily um, on Matic here. Yeah, there's a lot of resistance here as well, right? Even though it has room all the way to potentially 70, right? So, yeah, um, it's done a lot. So if someone's shorting Matic, I would completely understand. But yeah, yeah. Safe who? Safe Moon. I shorted and got burnt. You got burnt. Yeah, I know. Matic is if Bitcoin breaks below $20,000, wow. Again, wow. Normally I it's by the rumors or the news, but Matic is the one likely to be the exception as to the Disney news. Yeah, probably. Yeah, we'll see how the rest of the night goes, right? We'll see how the rest of the night goes. Again, be careful. Either or, right? Be careful, right? So, if you're shorting, be aware that these guys have news, Matic, and momentum is with the coin. If you're going long, just be aware that it's up 20% already today. It's the top gainer, right? So, be careful, just in case you start seeing numbers like Matic is up 80%. Matic doesn't seem like something to do that though. So I don't see Matic like one of those coins that does 80%, 50%. But you never know. So be careful. Be careful, be careful. Be careful, be careful. Matic is dipping there though. Dipping. So be careful with Ave too. Oh yeah. Ave is another one that I what are we at here for Ave? 80 79. Okay, not bad. Ave can be very crazy with the movements. Crazy, crazy, crazy. So crazy. What a night. What a night. And then the night is just getting started. Support at 20. Okay, sounds good. Sounds good. Na, 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 na. Matic. I almost want to pull up Matic on a different screen here so we can watch because I know a lot of you guys are watching. You know what? I'm going to do a split screen between Bitcoin and Matic here. Can I just do three? Yeah, I'll just do three and then actually, and then put up Matic, and see how they are both selling off here, right? So Matic is dipskis. Surprise, surprise. No, it's up a lot. So that's Matic on the right hand side here, and that's Bitcoin on the left hand side. So They're both dipping, both dipping here. So we'll see. Yo, 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 Crystal loves Matic. By the way, Crystal loves Matic. So Matic is doing well, and getting started for some. It's 1:30 a.m. 1:30 a.m. Yeah, Gary, I don't know how you guys do it. That's impressive. 1:30 a.m. You guys are criminals. The Matic man, yeah, the Matic man. Crystal. So I'm sure Crystal's really happy. Really, really happy. So Matic is bouncing there now. Yeah, what time frame am I using here though? 1 minute, 1 minute. Yeah, I just want to see the volatility tonight. So I'm gonna leave it on smaller time frames here, and then go from there. Matic is leading the way back up here. Bitcoin really isn't moving to the way back up. Matic is going back up, right? So let's see, let's see. Matic, yes sir. Yeah, you saw the news for Matic as well. Let me see if I can find something about the Disney. Uh, yeah. Okay, I can see that they've like I'm not quite sure what it is though. Right, you can see that they've announced like it says blah 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 blah. We've announced like the participants, which Matic is one of them. Um, but I'm not quite sure what it is. Right, I'm just gonna click on that and see. Empower innovative collaborations with Walt Disney Company. What does that mean though? Right, so uh, there's not a whole lot on here other than that. Like that's it, right? So we have the so again, this is why Matic is pumping more than most. Well, charts looks like Bitcoin chart on steroids. Yeah, it does. If I click on about, what does it say? Walt Disney had a dream, and the entrepreneurial will to make that dream come true, combining creativity and innovation. He built a company that is forever new ways to tell great stories, from the multi-plane camera, right, uh, and the first feature-length animation film, to animatronics and computer generated animation. Disney has always been at the forefront of technology through the accelerator. Huh. The select companies will gain access to the range of creative expertise and resources of the Walt Disney Company to help them develop new entertainment experiences and products. So again, that doesn't quite spin around in his grave, knowing what his company are doing behind the scenes. They're like, yeah, they're hiring, they're doing crypto, is what they're doing behind the scenes. Where is the Disney? There's some like questions here, right? So there's some questions here about like all this stuff, right? So when is the program? The program takes place over the summer and includes it. It concludes with a demo day in October. Okay, cool. Where is the Disney? Blah 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 blah. The Disney Accelerator co-working space is located in Greater Los Angeles, the heart of the entertainment industry. But participating companies will not need to be in the Disney Accelerated co-working space the entire summer, just at the start of the program for select meetings and the demo day. Okay. It all doesn't make a whole lot of It seems like it's they're using the technology to like for entertainment or whatnot. Collateral. Okay, cool. Anything you need to know from a legal perspective? Okay, cool. Um, it just seems like this is all just being developed yet. I don't get how it ties to layer two, but it's good for crypto regardless. Exactly, right? So it all just seems like they're figuring this stuff out. Honestly, Gary, because that's it. It doesn't give us a whole bunch of information, right? I mean, like you come to the main page. What is this? I missed it. Is this something to do with Matic? Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is. So that's why Matic is pumping. They're working with Disney. So that's the whole reason for the pump. And it all just seems like they're figuring stuff out as they go, right? Because yeah, yeah, right. If I go back to like Gooks, right? So it talks about how they just announced Disney accelerated participants announced, and Matic is one of them, right? So see if this article has more details here. So maybe this is actually going to help us out here. So right, it says today the Walt Disney Company announced the six companies that will be joining 2022 Disney Accelerator, a business development program designed to accelerate the growth of innovative companies from around the world. This year's Disney Accelerator class is focused on building the future of immersive experiences and specializes in technology such as augmented reality, non-fungible tokens, and artificial intelligence (AI) characters. Right, blah 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 blah. The Disney Accelerator kicks off this week, connecting the 2022 class with creativity and imagination and expertise of Disney. Over the course of the program, each participant company will receive guidance from Disney's senior leadership team, as well as a dedicated executive mentor. Okay, cool. La 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 la. Yeah, I mean, hey guys, hey Aaron. It said they're offering capital and investors. Okay, sounds good. Offering capital and investors. Interesting. Hmm. Interesting. So maybe these are some of the games, hey Gary. I'm gonna post this article in Discord because I think maybe NFT. Yeah, like I think there's more here now because it says there we go. So these are the partners, right? Polygon. So Polygon is a scalable blockchain network that allows developers and enterprises to build Web3 experiences. Um, so it feels like they're gonna use that technology to somehow do like I don't know augmented reality. Then, um, blah 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 blah. Yeah, post that in Discord. La, la. Maybe on the NFT element for Matic, yeah, maybe. And it's all not very clear. Like all of it is not very clear, right? So Bitcoin and Matic are trying to kind of find a base here. We'll see what happens, right? So and there goes. Yeah, so that's Matic trying to find a base just above the 50 EMA here, right? We'll see if it actually holds. And so is Bitcoin. Bitcoin looks a lot weaker though. We'll see. Hey, offering capital. Wait, what's my thing going on there? Um, yeah, we'll see what that does. Why does it seem like my charts are on like I don't know something weird? Anyways, Bitcoin. Are we still getting transactions here? Still getting real transactions on here? Let me see. What a rally today! What a mad day! Are we just rallying now to sell off tomorrow morning? I don't know. Or is this gonna be like a precursor to like to the stock market? I don't know. We'll find out, right? So, anyways, again, it's just fun to watch these transactions go through. Nothing special here, right? Just fun to watch. Fun to watch. La la la. What time is it here? Yeah. Mm, Medic. Oh, someone just bought one point. Someone just bought $1.2 million, and then someone else bought almost $1 million worth of Bitcoin. They're throwing the money still like, yeah, come on, Bitcoin, let's go, give us those monies. You get $1 million, you get $1 million. We all get millions of dollars, and they're gonna sell it in 2 seconds, and then like, give my money back, please and thank you. Nah, nah, nah. Give my monies back, please and thank you. Yeah, no, we're bouncing a bit here, right? So these things are trying to consolidate here. See if we actually hold these levels, or if we go the other way, right? So we'll see. We shall see. After the earnings report and the Fed meeting on the 26th, and then the GP on the 28th, what kind of bottom do you guesstimate if the news is bad? If the news is bad, I mean, again, so it just depends, Frothy. It just depends what happens leading into the meeting, right? So even if the news is bad, there are times like you can see here for there are times where the news will be priced in before you get there. So if we're selling off, it feels like a boat trap, Michael. Okay, sounds good. Yeah, bottom for Bitcoin. Right, so the next level we are looking for is 17.5, which would create a double bottom 17.6, whatever that level is, whatever level we hit last time. So that would be what you would be looking for. But again, it depends on what's happening leading into that event, right? So if we're selling off leading into that, or potentially pricing in bad news, right? And if the market does think, again, even if the news is bad and the market thinks, okay, well, inflation is hit a peak, right, into the Fed meeting there, right? We could potentially rally. So we'll see. It just depends. There's a lot of time left, right, before we get into the 26 here. There's a lot of time. Someone just sold $2 million worth of Bitcoin. I bet you that's Peter. That's Peter, isn't it? $2 million worth of Bitcoin. Bounce a bit now. Drop again at night. Deja vu. Peter, come on now. Be positive. Be positive. No, again. So the next level I'd be watching here, right? Obviously we're above $20,000, so that's always a level to watch, Frothy. Well, Peter, see, I blamed you, and then you bought $1.2 million back because you felt guilty. Unbelievable. Oh, and then yeah, here we come. Yeah, so again, 20,400 would be your main level of resistance. If we can break above that level tonight, maybe it's gonna be the rally continues, right? 20,400. That's your resistance. That's a big wall, right? Peter shorting by now. No, Peter went long again. Gary, so run. Run. Matic, yeah. Well, looking highly questionable here, even though we're trying to bottom out. Nah. Let's see. Um, someone has a gun to my head. Told me I had to buy. Okay, sounds good, Peter. That's okay. That's not okay, but that's okay. Um, I'm always impressed by these numbers, honestly. Like just how free flowing they are. I know there's a lot of money in crypto, but damn. Like just someone just what's with all these spams about baby Dogezilla? What's baby Dogezilla? That time it's over now. There's no such thing as baby Dogezilla rallies anymore, right? So that easy. Whose kidneys are these? Whose kidneys are these? Whose kidneys are these? No, that time is over. It's long gone. Baby Godzilla isn't going anywhere. Well, where's the music coming from? Where are you coming from? Go away. To the moon. Baby Godzilla to the moon. Yeah. No, it's like people are um people have monies people again, people are spending their money on valuable stuff now, right? So not just every pump and dump you see, right? So I'd rather go buy a Matic. I'd rather go buy something that has a little bit of a utility. It's we're in a different time now. You know what I mean? So go go at the somewhere else. We should be buying NFTs. I mean, who's we, Peter? You can buy NFTs if you want. My monies are absolutely not. Um, Again, don't forget to smash the like if you haven't already, and all the fun stuff. And so if you're just joining, Bitcoin has had a nice rally, right? So and hit that resistance at 20,400. So that would be the next level to break if we want to rally. But again, just be careful, right? We've had a strong rally, so we are trying to curl here, which is cool. but I would be a little bit cautious. Matic has had a strong rally today because they're working with Disney, right? So good news with Disney. Matic has exploded, right? From what? From 53 earlier today, all the way to almost to 66, 66 almost. Wow, 66. That's impressive, right? So if you have any questions about anything else, just let us know, and we will try and get to your questions. And yeah, so we're just hanging out, you know, hanging out, doing nothing. Sama Dozilla, genuinely not baby Dozilla though. Okay, that just stares at me and does nothing but milk my money slowly. Peter, yeah, yeah. Hey Mindy, on a positive notes, on a positive notes, at least Algorand is a small rally. It's not a Matic rally. It's not 18%. I promise you guys, the day do like Algorand rallies, like 10%, 20%, Mindy will burn something. Um, can you talk about ETH a bit and the new upgrade? The upgrade isn't coming for a few months, right? Um, it's not coming for a few months. If you have any questions, Gary will give you all the updates you could ever ask for in the chats. It's not coming for a few months. When is it coming, Gary? Like August is when they're doing the upgrades. I'm sure that's going to be a catalyst for crypto. It's going to be a nice catalyst. You know what's interesting here is how Matic is now selling off, while Bitcoin is going the other way. You believe Gala and Matic will blow up? Yeah, Gala and Matic. Yeah, Gala has a game coming up at some point as well. It looks really cool actually. So Matic looks weak. Bitcoin going the other way, which is interesting, right? So it tells you we might have hit that double top, and you want to be careful. Be careful, because if Bitcoin sells off here, Matic will really sell off, right? So really sell off. So be careful, please. Anyways, just FOMO in at the top of Matic and lost $30 and sold out. Rookie mistake. Javoy, don't buy on the way up, please. Let it sell off, because there's been a sell off this all day long for Matic, right? So even though it looks like we've been going straight up, zoom out a bit, right? There's been a sell off at every stage for Matic, right? So um, let's see. Mathing. Yeah, for sure, Josh. Yeah. Don't chase the pump, wait for the retrace. Yeah, there's always a retracement. Always. I mean, if you look at Matic here on the smaller time frame, right? So let's look at the 1 minute here for Matic. Every time we rally like this, there's been a retracement, and to either moving average or double bottom, right? So every time, right? Again, rally pump, consolidate, right? So it's a moving average, and then send it for more, for more. So Matic is bouncing here a bit off that support, right? Off this level here of that 63.30. We're trying to bounce there. So there you go. Can you show me the 3 minute for Matic? Yeah, 3 minutes. 3 minute for Matic here. We're sitting right against the 20-day moving average here for Matic. It's really tight, right? So you look at the 3 minute here. This is going to be interesting. So just again, if we break above the 9, we might go for a rally to the upside. If we break below the 20 here, we might be selling off to 62 something, right? So it's getting really tight here. This last candle sold off and then closed above. Let me actually change these candles here to regular candles. Yeah, right. So you can see what's happening there is we're in a really tight range here now, really tight range. Okay, and so between the 9 and the 20, so whichever way we break might be the direction we take for a bit, right? And Matic is back above the 9, so that candle has about another minute and 30 seconds here though to see if we close above or below, right? For Matic, and then we can go from there. It's an odd one. Miners won't like it. Environments investors may get involved. Okay. Yeah, I bet you that's what they're leaning towards, Gary, trying to get some of these right? get some of these institutions involved here. So yeah, let's see what happens here, right? So we're still below, right? That nine, and we have about a minute left. So see where we close. If we close below, Matic is potentially ready for a little bit of a dip skis, right? We're just playing between that range, up and down, up and down, up and down. Come on, up and down, up and down, and thrust. So the and playing the. I have not, Josh. I have not. Mindy coming on? Mindy is not coming on because uh, anyway, so we have about another 15 seconds left on Matic here, right? So, and it's close. It's close. It's close. 9, 7, 6, 4, 3, 2, and they close it above, right? So they close it above there. So let's see what this candle does here. Matic, you like the music? Let's go. We thrust together, right? So and again, that's Matic on the 3 minute, and then you have Bitcoin. Bitcoin rallying a bit as well, right? So Bitcoin looks good there. BTC, 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 BTC. The music is a little bit loud, but so let's see what the next candle here does for Matic. If we can find a base above that 9 there, Matic might go for a little rally, but if not, because that candle will become confirmation there. So see what happens. La, la. Question for you guys in the chat though, because exactly. We can. Is not in Discord. Crypto chat is your friend for news and opinion. Yeah. So if you're not in Discord, you're missing out. Come join us. This is business. This is business. Uh, join Discord now. Thank you. Yeah, come join us in Discord if you're not a member. Come join us in Discord. So yeah, just follow the link that Gary posted above there, and then go from there. So BTC, yeah, BTC wants to go for another rally here, doesn't it? Matic is now complying. Matic wants to go for another run here too with BTC, BTC. What's the rest of what are we at here? Okay, interesting. What does the rest of the list look like here for crypto? I just want to see, right? So, la la la. Peter, LRC is at 37 cents almost here. La la la. Luna's below $2. Unbelievable. Oh, here we go. Here we go again. Rally, rally, rally. Bitcoin, yep, going for another rally there. 20,300. Sandbox, wow, Sandbox sold off. Damn. Interesting. XRP. It just seems like there are a few names that are rallying hard. They're not all doing the same thing though. Algorand is barely left 31 cents. Right, it's barely broke above. So there are a few doing really well, right? And I think that's been the guess though for a lot of people that when the market recovers, Bitcoin will recover aggressively, and a few coins will as well. Not everything else will though, to the same rate. Someone just sold $1.2 million worth of Bitcoin. Peter, unbelievable. $2.5 million. $2.5 million. Yeah, you didn't know, Peter? Where have you been? Yeah, Mindy took the flights. She flew. She conquered the fear and said, "Yep, planes, let's go, let's fly." And Crypto decided to follow. Oh, what's that? Is that Matic? Oh, Matic is thrusting now too. Look at Matic again consolidated, right? Closed above the 9 of the 3 minute there. That's a sign for thrusting, right? So pumping it, thrusting. There we go. Yeah, she flew. She took the flight. Matic is yeah, yeah, wow, right, Peter? Yeah, she should be very proud. From walking in the first day and saying, yeah, absolutely not, and going home. I mean, imagine driving 2 hours to the airport, Peter, and saying, yeah, this is not it. This is not it. And then going the second day and getting on the flights. That's impressive, right? Yeah. So we'll see. Matic tried to rally there and then said, nope, nope, not today. Well, not yet. So let's see what that candle does, because that's a pretty bearish candle if that stays like that into the close. La 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 la. La 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 la. Uh-oh. Matic. If Matic closes that candle like that, that's interesting. How much time do we have on that candle there? We have a minute, a whole minute left. How yeah. She was coming off the plane. Yeah, exactly, Peter. Exactly. Exactly. No, it's impressive, right? That's what life is about. Sometimes conquer the fear, and conquer the fear, and you feel good about it after doing it. So that's impressive. Oh yeah, no, Meg has a lot of time to push on this candle, and then go from there. What else is moving here on these bubbles, though? Is what I want to know. Uh, we don't have. um, um, anyways, what else? So Matic, there's CVX, there's CRV, there's Aave, there's Uni. Uni is pumping as well. What's Uni at? Uni's at 611. That's not a whole lot, Mindy, from like the last from 650, right? Anything else? Crow is up 5%, 11 6 11 6. Honestly, Crow should be ashamed of itself. Oh yeah, that's true, Michael. The other one too. I don't know why it's not on here anymore. Is it because I'm on? It should be, because I looked earlier, like an hour ago, before I came on stream, and LDO was up nicely, Michael. Yeah, not sure why it's not on here. Would it be on the top 200? Yeah, there it is. And then VGX. VGX is the other one. By the way, so VGX, right, is the Voyager token, right? It's the Voyager coin. It's up 91% here today. The reason for that is, what are we at, 65 cents? Okay, it sold off a bit from $1. This thing was up a lot more, right? So it's pumping because there's rumors about them potentially getting acquired, right? So that would be good. So people can maybe get their money back, right? VGX. I don't know about that though. It just seems like they're going through the process of bankruptcy already. I don't know, honestly. We'll find out. What's SNX at here? 250. Okay, and then LDO, right? So that thing's done really well today. Really, really well. All the way to above $1 there earlier, and then Dipskis. Big flush incoming, Iron. Why do you say that? Just because we failed at that resistance there? Is there a reason? Like, is there a reason why you feel like there's a flush coming, Iron? A flush incoming? No, Bitcoin is still going here. Bitcoin is at 20,300 now. So, and if this thing breaks about 20,400 there, that might be a problem for those shorts. Might be a problem. I think Matic is showing signs of weakness now. Because the last time Bitcoin was pushing for that resistance, the highs there, Matic was pumping. I mean, like Matic was exploding. So it seems a little bit weaker now. If Bitcoin sells off from here, Matic will struggle, right? So who's not sure, Josh? Not sure. Again, people just like to. It's rumors, right? So there's been rumors that they're getting bought up by FTX, right? FTX buys everybody out. I don't know if that's I don't know if that's gonna be I don't know. They're just rumors until confirmed, right? And then go from there. All over the Voyager and Celsius members, I've got fingers crossed. I know, right? Celsius is another one too. I know James. James has Matic in in Celsius. So hopefully something happens there. Filing bankrupt. There you go, Jimon. Right. So, uh, where- what? uh, uh, they're both filing for bankruptcy, but hopefully someone acquires them, right? So they can. I think Voyager got money back from stake funds and paid off some debts. Don't quote me on that though. Yeah, I don't know. Honestly, I don't know. I think there are a lot of unknowns, right? A lot of it is up in the air. So until we get confirmation from Voyager actually or from Celsius, I know Celsius is their liquidation price is what now, $3,000. That's not bad, right? That's not bad. They've paid off a lot of they paid off a lot of you know a lot of debts and whatnot. So and Bitcoin is pumping over $50 away from like the highs there. That's impressive. Bitcoin is thrusting it. Here we go again. Here we go. Matic is also pumping now, right? So Bitcoin goes, Matic goes. Again, so we have resistance at 20,400. If we break above that level, oh boy, oh boy. Maybe we go for a nice, but I think we're closer to resistance and support, so be careful for both of these, Matic and Bitcoin. So be careful. I got the vision. Trust. Okay, sounds good. Sounds good. Sounds good, Iron. Yeah, we might just double top here, right? At 20,400 and sell off. Double top sell offs. Let's see. There we go. That's working. Question for you guys in the chat though. Again, I know crypto's rallying, so it gets exciting, and you feel like, oh my goodness. Are you guys buying anything? Like, are you guys going long anything? Just let me know. If you're going long and what you're going long on. Ian, is she there yet? Is she there yet? I said no, because this is gonna be stress for you if she is, or you're getting close to Ian. um, do I have my own beats, Michael? I do not. I do not. I just use whatever I get for free, right? Whatever you can use for free without copyright. She's on her way. Okay, sounds good, Iron. You're in trouble. You're in trouble. You better hope we start crashing soon, because if we don't, this is gonna be yeah. Frothy, we're waiting for you to join Discord. Where are you? We're waiting for you. Come join us. I'm waiting for science. It's time to short. Yeah. Okay. Sounds good. You can send me some, Michael. Like, are they like the non-copyright, right? Like I won't have troubles. No troubles. Indicator again. I can't find it when I search. The trend line. Oh, it's called Peter. It's called trend line with breaks. The creators like locks or something. Trend line with breaks is what it's called. If you can't find it still, just let me know and I'll search it up so you can see what it is. They're yours, Michael? Okay. Yeah, sure. Absolutely. Sure, Michael. Yeah. Michael, come join us in Discord. Come join us in Discord and then we can talk. Right? We can talk. So again, if you want to join Discord, guys, just click on this link. Make sure you sign up for the Discord level though. And just follow the link that's showing up in the chat here now from Nightbots. No, not adding. I only buy dips. Okay, sounds good, Gary. Yeah. Bitcoin and ETH long term, just taking cash at the moment. Okay, sounds good. Yeah. No, a lot of people are doing that, right? Just dollar cost averaging and staking. Dollar cost average and stake. You make sure you do that on the right exchange, though, please and thank you. Because some of these exchanges are obviously don't just doing too much, right? Over leveraged, blah blah blah, right? So be careful. Tonight, let's go, Michael. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, again, so we're just chilling here for now, guys. We know where resistance is. We're just waiting for the next set of action. Well, the next direction. So I'm just gonna leave it on this whale transaction side here, so we can kind of see what the whales are doing. Because when these guys sell a whole lot, you can tell that something crazy is about to happen, up or downside, right? So we'll basically just boy, can you refresh, please? Boy, unbelievable. Because I don't think that's is are we up to date now? No, we're not up to date, are we? Hmm. And if you, but okay, son. No, that's okay. That's okay, Frothy. That's okay. We'll be it'll be a pleasure to have you in Discord tomorrow, whenever, right? Markets are the market's not going anywhere. So anyway, so again, Bitcoin, right? Once we break above that 20,400, we're ready for another rally. But if we fail to break below that, above that, and buying pressure decline, slows down a bit, just be careful because we could dip, right? We've had a nice rally already today, so be careful. Be careful. Be careful. Um, let's see here. Is there any other news we can take a look at? Let's see. Any news we can look at here? The news. The newspaper. Crypto. Polygon. Okay, cool. I just want to take a look at crypto news. So let's take a look and see what's happening here. So if you have TradingView, there's usually a lot of news on the site here for crypto, like just everything in general. So I just like to look at some of these stuff, some of this thing, some of this every once in a while. Dollar dip after inflation surges, blah blah blah. Bitcoin, their signal exchange well ratio is trending up. Okay, cool. Okay, cool. To reclaim $20,000. Okay, cool. Inflation hits new 40-year high. Will Bitcoin and Ethereum plummet again? Okay, there's not a whole lot. Nothing special there. Uh, to buy to pay off a loan, to buy one Bitcoin. Stop me. I took 25K out of 401K to pay off a loan, but I'm really tempted. You tempted to buy one Bitcoin, Peter? Yeah, XRP. Yeah, I think the conclusion. I think we might just have Raymond. We just have to wait until it's like completely concluded, right? Before because for now again, like any news really isn't helping, right? So the news you really didn't do anything. So I think they're waiting for conclusion. The news is in the charts. Yeah, why? Yeah, right. So there's a reaction is huge, right? Reaction. There's news and then there's reaction. We pick reaction every time because it's what gives you money, so take your monies away. So Peter wants to buy some Bitcoin, guys. So let's say you're Peter, right? So Peter is taking some 25. Peter is taking $25,000 out of his 401k, right, Peter? Yes or no in the chat, guys. Would you buy one Bitcoin with that money? I won't stop you if the low interest and then Bitcoin is a better option. Would you? Would you take that money? Yes or no? Would you take that money? Would you take that money and buy one Bitcoin, guys? Uh, watch no, could easily go to $3,500. There you go. Frothy says that's not a bad idea. Would you do that in the chat? So more money says yes, 100%. For more later. Yeah. TC says nope. Let me know in the chat, guys. Right. So Peter's taking $25,000 as we're selling off here now, bid. Right. Well, so you can see all of these massive orders come through. Someone sold almost $1 million worth of Bitcoin. Right. Look at all that red. Right. People selling a bid. Right. And then you take a look at the candles and we're dipping. Right. Look at that. Trust, bro. Trust. Iron. Trust. Right. So we're dipping a little bit. Right. So Bitcoin. Yeah. Not a whole lot though. Ian says not yet. I wouldn't do it yet, right? So, yes, but not right now. Okay, Frothy says yes, but not right now. Raymond says nope. There you go, Peter. I think you might have your answer, right? So it just feels like people are waiting for more of a sell off before putting their monies in, right? So, yeah. Peter. Uh, I only see yes. I only see yes. I mean, Peter, like if you're convinced and it's something you want to do, you could just kidding. Thanks everyone. The other thing you could do is like you could do like I know you want to buy one Bitcoin, but you can almost do like $5,000 increments or stuff like that. But yeah, I feel like I'd be leaning towards I don't know, waiting as well. So hold on, these people don't know. Oh no, Peter's curse. Yeah, if Peter bought it, uh, Bitcoin $3,000 tomorrow night, $3,000. Um, has no history whatsoever in the bearish context. There's a lot of room for downside. Why? Yeah, I agree. I agree, right? So as much as we have all these trend lines about Bitcoin, historically selling off and hitting this level and bouncing and hitting this level, it's a whole new like it's different. Like it's not the same, right? So it's completely different. Um, so I would be. Did I notice SafeMoon bounced 13,000%? No, I did not. I did not. I did not notice. No. The old SafeMoon, right? Not the new SafeMoon, because the old SafeMoon is I miss an opportunity here. Oh wow! Look at all these sell orders come through. Wow, 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 wow! Look at that. I mean, some of these guys are just dumping, dumping, dumping. Look what Matic is doing here. Matic says, "Hey guys, I have given you enough money today, so now we go to the bridge." No, I'm just kidding. Anyways, yeah, right. It's always nice to see what when we're crashing. New safe moon, nice. It's always nice to see like when we're crashing, what's happening, right? People buying or selling, and you can see some massive, massive blocks of selling. They heard of me potentially buying. They're like, "Oh my God, Peter said what? He's buying? No, absolutely not. Let's get rid of it, please and thank you. Yeah, let's get rid of it. Let's get rid, please and thank you." So, um, question for like I'm just asking questions because I just want to trust, Iron, trust. Question for you guys in the chat. I'm just asking random questions here just to kind of get you, get see what you guys think, right? So, yes or no in the chat, right? Do you guys think Bitcoin ever hits all-time highs again, right? Do we ever hit all-time highs again? Because when we talk about store value and Bitcoin and whatnot and blah 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 blah, it's gold and whatnot. What is the website you're viewing BTC on? Ambient Dreams. It's called aggr.trade. Yeah. Ian says yes. You think so? Oh wow. Ian, that's really interesting coming from you, right? You're thinking we hit all-time highs again. SLS says yes. We hit all-time highs again. Okay. I just want to see what you guys are thinking because right. I just want to see. So let me know. So both answers yes. Frothy says yes, we hit all-time highs again. I think the halving will guarantee us all-time highs again, Michael. There you go. Right. So you guys are leaning towards Bitcoin hitting all-time highs again. It's amazing. Like it's amazing to think about, like like the which is fine, right? We talked about this. When we're selling off, it seems like oh my god, oh my goodness, right? So there, the sky is falling, right? But then when we are in the bull market, it's exciting, right? So we're just pumping and going and going and going. So um, I don't know when, but I unless something else flips it. Okay, there you go. Yeah. So again, I don't think Bitcoin is going. Can you take a look at GMT? Of course. So what's your position in GMT? I went long GMT earlier today. At like 80, 83-ish, 83 something. So GMT's had a nice rally today. I mean, everything's had a nice rally. So that was a nice little rally. Next all-time high, $180,000. There, I said it. Yeah. Oh no, Bitcoin isn't going anywhere, right? Bitcoin might be the only things, one of the only thing that like recovers aggressively when the market recovers, right? So you're gonna have things like Matic, right? Matic and this and that, but Bitcoin is gonna be the main thing that people look to put the money in. Especially Bitcoin is 91 now. No way. GMT's at 91. 91. Oh wow. Wow 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 wow. GMT. Wow. That's impressive because GMT is now wow. That's impressive. Monies. I'll take a look at GMT. GMT what for a dollar, right? I hope ETH dies. Not a big fan. You're not a fan of ETH. Not a fan of ETH. I don't know. I've never been. I've never. I'm not really a fan of ETH either. Don't hate it for any particular reason, other than the fact that they stole my monies when I was buying NFTs with all the fees. So let's how about we do Solana and Matic instead. Yeah. Wow. Yeah. GMT looks nice. Or can I liquidate Place's bank account and use that instead? Peter, zero money's in there. Zero. Zero monies. Zero monies. GMT. Let's go. uh, I took profits, Iron. I took profits. Took profits. Took profits. Wow, 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 wow. GMT is an absolute monster. Look at all this buying coming through here now for Bitcoin. Look at that. These are Peter's. These are Peter's buys. Peter's like, you guys wanted to buy $25,000. Okay, how about I buy everything? Anyways, right. So again, Bitcoin is bouncing here now as those buy orders come through. Right. So that's impressive. Nah, 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 nah. Matic and Disney, yeah, Omega, yeah, right. Matic and Disney. We talked about that today. We've looked at what the accelerated program is, and gone from there. So now we looked at Matic quite a bit, quite a bit. Nah, 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 nah. Let's see. It's amazing how someone like as we're selling off, Matic is going up. You missed my Matic entry by half a cent. You did, Michael. Yeah. Well, I got into Matic at 50 something this morning, and that thing wouldn't stop dropping, so I sold it. And your Polygon investor, nice. So I was like, you know what? I'll come back later. Well, later never came, and Matic exploded. Right. So yeah, just this morning, and I just left, and yeah. No, Matic looks good. Matic has done well today. Matic looks again. We've hit a double top on Matic though, so be careful. And it looks a little bit weaker now because again, you can see Bitcoin reversing the other way. Matic is chilling. Matic is like, yeah, you go ahead. I've done enough today, right? So someone just bought $1 million worth of Bitcoin, and waves are exploding. Yeah, waves always explodes. RCA always. When the market rallies, waves. Watch waves. And GMT and Matic, and there are a few more. There are a few more to look at. A few more to look at. Intention is to pay off the loan with profits. Yeah, profits. Oh yeah, Bitcoin is sending it there. Sending it. Is that going to bust out? Yeah, PRQ. PRQ is another one. Kelly bought PRQ at. Let me take a look at these. Some of these here. No, congratulations, Kelly. So Kelly got into PRQ, which has done really well, really, really well, right? So we're trying to form a cup and handle there for Bitcoin, but PRQ here, and it's done well. You got in at what, 14 cents, 14 cents, right? And yeah, and that thing's done well, really well. 14 cents. I mean, you basically bought that thing at the bottom there, right? Not at the bottom, but as it's consolidating, right? So, and then pump, 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 all the way to 33, 35, 36, right? And then sold off to 20. And now it's holding 20 cents as support. So that's a really good sign, right? So, um, yeah, yeah. No way. GMT is actually going mad. Uh, what are we at here? Let me take a look. And then and then Rad is the other one that Kelly is looking at now. Rad. What's Rad doing? Actually, Rad has been picking up here since it was posted in Discord. That Rad has done well, right? So from $1.60 or whatever that was, right? So 160 to 172 here now, right? Rad doesn't look too bad. Um, if you bought this thing just like what, like an hour ago, Kelly, right? It's pushed already. So that's done really well. Let me take a look at GMT here. Oh yeah, GMT is done. GMT is going. Absolute madness. Oh, I'm gonna regret that. I'm gonna regret that. Oh yeah, Crystal, that's okay. 92. I'm gonna regret that. 20,000 at 22. Serious about this one? You are, Kelly? Very nice. It's going to be the altcoin at 2022. Rad is rad. Na, 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 na. Let's see. Is that the minute? 88. Na, 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 na. 92. Wow. Profit always. You're chilling? Yeah. I don't know about that, Iron. I don't know about that. This thing is going. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. No, that's okay though. Again, like profit to profits, right? Um no. I think I sold on this little dip here as we were dipping, and then it said, okay, thank you very much for coming. Thank you very much for coming and going. Making a yeah, no, Rad looks cool. And Bitcoin says, hey guys, hey, I need to get my chargers at some point here because my computer is gonna die. And Bitcoin is slowly creeping back up there. Right, a lot of resistance here, but yeah. So we'll see. A lot of resistance. Let me get my charger quick, guys. Charger quickly here, and some. Be back. Let's go. But they have a lot of attention right now. Yeah, they do, especially at PRQ. They do. Music. Going through a breakup with this music. I know. All right. I am. I am. This is gonna be stress when GMT breaks above $1 iron and explodes. This is gonna be stress because that thing looks strong. Uh-oh, this is gonna be stress. Look at Bitcoin go here. Yep, look at Bitcoin go. Almost 24, right? So let's see if we break above. This is gonna be a huge test now for Bitcoin here. Huge, right? Huge test here. We filled at 20,400 exactly last time. This time we filled. Well, we broke above, right? So we broke above there. Or another. Again, that candle has to close above though before we talk about Bitcoin actually doing anything there. So if we close above that level, that would be let's go. Yeah, huge test. Yeah, this is gonna be huge here. So be careful. If we fail at this level, if we double top here and sell off, we might have a problem. We might have a dumping problem. Bitcoin might give us some boom boom red candles here, right? Again, be careful here. As much as this is exciting and we're about to break above resistance, this is also a a level that we could dump at. So I want to watch some of these whale transactions. I want to see what these guys are doing here. Are they dumping or are they buying? They're selling. Well, trying to. Oh yeah, they're selling. Oh yeah, they're selling. Oh yeah, they're selling. And we're selling off as well, right? So Bitcoin, yeah, Bitcoin is back to just lost $100, right? Surprise, surprise? No, not really. That's a huge level. Oh yeah, Matic is dumping there too, right? So, yep, they're selling. Someone just sold $1.1 million worth of Bitcoin. So they're selling. Not a bad thing though. Again, so not a bad thing. See if we can, see if we can consolidate here for Bitcoin above the 20, and then get back above, right? So volatile, yeah. There's some massive sales coming through. $1.1 million sold there. Look at that. You have one or two greens and then a whole bunch of selling, right? Whole bunch of selling. And Bitcoin says when abyss. When abyss, right? So again, that's an example of like when it's exciting, you never want to buy at resistance. It's fun. It's fun to it's fun to rally there, but you don't want to buy at resistance because you could end up at the bridge quickly. Trust, bro. Trust, I trust. Doubles up, 20,400. So if we stay below that level, the shorts are gonna be happy. And if we break below $20,000, the shorts are gonna be very happy. You're loving it, Jason? Of course you are. Of course you are. Of course you are. Yeah. Okay. Doubles up at 20,400, right? If we fail to break above that level and we break below $20,000 again, yeah, dipskis. Uh, a 4 week run, Kelly. 4 week run. BTC will go to 25K and test lows. Yeah. Okay. And now we're rallying a little bit here because we're trying to, right? You can see some more again, some more buying come through than selling. So more buying than selling here. So see, we go for a little run. Where are my glasses? Where are my glasses? I have no idea. It's bright. Oh, that's Peter, isn't it? That's Kelly. No, that's Kelly. He just bought out $1.1 million worth of Bitcoin. $1.1 million, and here we go bouncing a little bit here. Here we go bouncing. And then someone else sells $1 million worth of Bitcoin, and then someone else sells $960,000. Come on. I feel like we have a lot more shorts in the chat than we have there than bulls. I feel like people wanted to sell up more than they wanted to go up. You criminals. You criminals. Yeah, look at that. We're selling off now. I mean, look at that block of selling, right? So, oh, and here comes a block of buying. Come on. Yeah, Bitcoin is trying to consolidate here a little bit. So, Yeah, Kelly, you're thinking $25,000 for the next few days. $25,000 for Bitcoin. Yeah, if we can again, if we can clear that level up, right? If we can clear, if we can actually break above 20,400, and then you know, and then okay, cool. I can see it. So I can see a rally coming if we can do that. Especially if the market rallies tomorrow as well, I can see it. So yo, Stewards, you missed all the madness today. You missed the crash, you missed the aggressive pump. Stewart, how are you? Good to see you. Um, you bought two bitcoins, Kelly. Okay, bought two last week between 18 and 19. Okay, and went through 2016. Oh wow, damn, what is going on there? Selling. Okay, I'm good, Stuart. I'm good. Grateful. But next few weeks, I think so too. What we're hoping for is that again. So what we're hoping for is that inflation is hit a peak, right? And as we get into the Fed meeting, um, into next CPI, people can start to realize that and then go from there. I mean, you're seeing a whole bunch of selling come through, right? And Bitcoin, yep, there you go. So dip skis, right? So we're dipping. Again, I would be careful with Bitcoin. Like I would be really careful at 21.4 at 20,400, right? So we talked about being careful at this level. Why? Because it's not a new level. Like it's not a new level. It's a level that we're quite aware of, right? It's a double top there for Bitcoin. So that's the next watch, right? We cleared that 20,400. That's a huge win, right? That's a potential rally to 20,600, 21,000 rally, right? So, but again, be careful. Matic is selling off there. Matic has done really well today. Matic was up 20%, right? Why? Because they are working with Disney, right? So they have a thing with Disney. We've covered that news, right? So if you have any questions about what's happening, just let us know. Just ask in the chat, and we will help. We will take a look again. So could that be we are going to be here on maybe years? No, I don't think so, Andre. I don't think we're going to be here for years. No, I don't think so. Don't think so. At some point in the future, maybe, right? At some point in the future, right? It will become like again like gold, right? How gold is, and not now though. Bitcoin has a lot of stuff to do before getting to that status. There's a lot of unknowns, right? From regulations to utility. Well, we know what that is, but to people feeling comfortable in crypto, right? There's a lot of work to do before Bitcoin can rally to $1 million and sit flat, like So buy the dip to help Andre of the future. Yeah, your kids, your grandkids, your grandkids. I'm having some cereal, guys. Some cereal. Let us snacking while we hang out together here. While we hang together. Inflation is baked in. Don't you think? Too many people think we're going lower. That the market's crashing, screaming the risk is falling, and that is when we make money. A lot of it, yeah. It's edging closer. I know, Stuart. I'm ready. My fantasy team is almost ready. No, Kelly, exactly, right? That's been a concern. Everyone's calling for a dip, everyone's calling for a crash, lower. You always want to be skeptical because sometimes when you're contrarian, you can make some really nice monies, right? So, yeah. Do I think inflation is baked in? I think we hit a peak this month, right? Well, this last data, and we should only improve from here. But my only concern, Kelly, is the earnings we get into the end of the week here, right, from these banks. Um, because again, we could be hitting a peak, but these guys are going to be screaming recession, 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 recession. These banks, right? And that's not exactly appealing in terms of sentiment, right? Even though we're bullish and we think long term we should be okay, right? When these guys, people listen to these guys, right? So when they're screaming recession incoming, you want to be careful. They're calling for 350 targets for the S&P, right? You want to be careful because, yeah, and that's why I went long this morning, Kelly. That's why I went long this morning. Um, because again I felt like okay, that sell off might be the last sell off we get. So that was the whole reason for going long. Hey yo, Michelle, what's going on? Not much, Michelle. How are you? Good to see you. Grandkids, who are you calling old? I don't know, Crystal. No, I mean, Andre says I need to buy some Bitcoin for future Andres. Yeah, you know, yeah, buy some. Yeah, was thinking to enjoy profits to at least 40s. Okay, sounds good. Yeah, I mean, at that point, you should at least have some type of a rally, and then you can celebrate. I have no idea where my glasses are, and it's how are you, Michelle? Are you buying anything crypto, or you're just watching, Michelle? Michael, it will, right? So it doesn't mean the market will not rally, though, right? That's the thing. The market is always forward leading. Um, Someone just sold $3.7 million worth of Bitcoin. That's who did that. $3.7 million worth of Bitcoin, just like that. All right. Again, so reset inflation is going to affect the economy for a while, but it doesn't mean the market doesn't rally, though, right? It doesn't mean we haven't hit the bottom yet. You think about COVID, which is not even close to being the same, right? So you think about 2008. It took the economy a while to eventually recover, but the market said, yeah, how about we start thrusting early, right? So in this bear market, rather than them doing exactly frothy, yeah, exactly. I agree. Now that we're selling off, just get everything out of, get crypto regulations out there, get everything out there, get it over with, right? So you averaging in, Michelle? Okay, very nice. I mean, it's better to average in like now, um, than 2 months ago, a few months ago, 2020, right? So when you bought BTC at $18,000, so you're good. Nice, Michelle. Yeah. So it's a lot better to do it now than Bitcoin, like El Salvador, Bitcoin at $50,000 or above, right? My finger slips. Yeah, there's a lot of selling here. Um, a lot more selling than buying here. Useless goats. Um, I think there will be a lot of uncertainty, especially from like an institutional point of view. Without regulations. I think we're really going to calm down once there's a set of rules to follow and this and that, right? So some of these exchanges, get rid of them, please and thank you. Send them to the bridge. Make people feel comfortable. What ended up happening with Mindy and that situation? Nothing. Michelle, nothing at all, right? Absolutely nothing. When you go to log in, it tells you when you go to log in into your account, it tells you, yeah, this is not your account, right? So because no one can access anything um, um, until whatever happens, right? So you yeah, there's a pretty good chance that you don't get anything back from having thousands of dollars to nothing back, right? So yeah, we'll see. It's funny you ask, Michelle. Wow, GMT is still chilling here at night. That we rallied to 93, and then we're chilling at 92 still. Oh, and I'm telling you, I'm gonna regret this one. But no, Michelle. So VGX. So VGX is the VGX is the Voyager token. Right now, you can look at, you can see where you are at market, but you can't try and pull that. Sorry, sorry, Charlie. Okay, right. So this is VGX, right? So this is the Voyager token. Um, it rallied 100 and something percent from 13 cents all the way to $1.20, a dollar three, I think, because the rumors going around that they're getting acquired, right? So we'll see how that whole thing plays out and then go from there. I don't know how that's, I don't know. My music just died. It just died. It's going to be a long night. I'm going to watch the St. Andrew Open and in crypto. Going to something crazy will happen. Okay, Kelly, let's go. Music just said bye bye. Bye bye. You kidding me? How does how does it shut off and then come back louder? Sorry. Michelle, I don't know what to tell you. I don't know. Um, crazy, right? Crazy, crazy, crazy. So yeah, Bitcoin has had a nice rally tonight. So has Matic. Matic has done really well, really, really well. So we'll see what Matic continues to do here. Um, uh, okay, cool. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, here comes a rally. Here comes a rally. Sell off and consolidate and then rally. So there's a lot of resistance here at the nine though for both of these things. So we'll see if we break above that. They're both failing at the nine. So until we break above that, okay, maybe we go back down. But yeah, if we can close above that moving average, oh yeah, we can go above. We can go for a rally there. Michelle, what are you scaling into? But you're scaling into Bitcoin only. Are you scaling into anything else? Anything else you're interested in? Oh, 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 oh. Here it goes. There goes Matic. Matic says, "Hey guys, I'm pumping on my own now. Please and thank you. I will go on my own at night." Oh yeah, it's going. Bitcoin isn't even moving. Matic is going. It's going on its own. I'm going to St. Andrew. St. Andrew. You guys are both watching St. Andrew open. Okay, very nice. Oh yeah, Matic is thrusting there now. Look at Matic go. Wow. Bitcoin is barely moved. Bitcoin is still sitting below the 9 EMA there, and Matic says, "Yeah, you know what? These are enough red candles. Thank you very much." ETH and Algo. Okay, you are Michelle. Okay, sounds good. Some ETH and some Algo. You're diversifying. Some Bitcoin, some ETH, and some Algo. Interesting. So I'll go for Bitcoin because it's Bitcoin. And it's some XLM as well. Okay. XLM. XLM. I had some XLM a while ago. And I got rid of it because I had to rebalance. I didn't want too much rubbish, you know? Crypto crash is coming. I had to sell some things that I didn't like. Well, Michelle's. Again, don't forget to smash a like, guys. If you haven't already, smash a like. Hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel. And if you want to become a member and join us in Discord, just follow the link from Nightbot in the chat and you should be good to go. Come on. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Anyways, what else can we take a look at here other than what else? So we've looked at the news. There's not really a whole lot to cover, right? In terms of news here. So let's see where we are in the next. Yeah, let's see what we are in the next 20 minutes here. Consolidation time is what it was. We all did it. We did we? Yeah. Crystal, yes, yes. Well, Matic is loving that. Matic is loving Bitcoin not crashing there because it's pumping. It's thrusting, thrusting. Matic has some aggressive candles, honestly. When you short this thing, and it rallies like that, you panic, panic. Yeah, some aggressive candles. How you always hop up when I come on, Michelle. Okay, fine. I'll be here until until you go away. That's what she says. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Pump today, IJ? Yeah, I did. No, VGX did really well. I mean, like really well, right? So if you bought that thing at 10 cents, to 13 cents, and it rallied to a dollar, you made monies, right? So where are my glasses is what I need here. Savage. Where are my damn glasses? 1 second, guys. Oh, 170 for Christoph for 70 for 70 for Matic. Yeah, probably 69 70 70. Win 70. Let's see. What's the high today for Matic anyways? 66. 66. Okay. 66. Mm, there we go. Matic, yeah. No, Matic has done really well, and Bitcoin looks like it's about to turn around here. So Matic could really pump. Matic could push for 65 here now, 64 at least. Bitcoin rallies here because it just looks like Bitcoin looks like it's consolidating there, and Matic is already on its way up anyways. So if Bitcoin just pumps, Matic would do really well, and they're doing that already. And we're getting some nice buy orders. These are I don't even know what I'm just what I just said. Unbelievable. Michelle says, "How come you always leave when I come?" And then and then he's like, "Good night, good night." Oh Lord, what's going on? What is going on here? You guys see that? Those buy and sells. It's fun to like look at the 1 second chart and see them react right away. Right, someone sells $800,000 worth of Bitcoin. It's fun to see like a candle react to that and then recover and then whatnot. Blah blah blah. Right, so it's fun to watch. You say YOLO Matic? You want a YOLO now at 20% on the day? Uh, we've been Matic has been pumping all day. In sense, all day. FOMO. Don't YOLO FOMO. Nah, nah. Mm, mm, mm. FOMO YOLO. No, yeah, let's hang off for like yeah, see where we are in 10 minutes, and then we can hop off and hang out in Discord, cause right, cause yeah, the people in Discord hanging out in the crypto chan in the Hangout voice talking about crypto anyway. So Yeah, let's see where we are in like 10 minutes. Just wanted to come on and look at crypto for a bit, and then yeah, go from there. So I was hoping we would get a decision. I'm glad we're above $20,000, right, for long. But again, so just be aware that this $20,400 level, 20,400, is the next big test. If we clear that, that's exciting. That would be a lot of fun, right? So yeah, that would be the next catalyst for Bitcoin to go, right? If we break below $20,000 again, obviously that's concerning crypto as much. You're expecting drop? Okay, sounds good. Yeah. No, Matic has been in Discord all day today, and because Michelle isn't there. Unbelievable, Michelle. Um, unbelievable. Come on, something give us a move here. We might have had a move already for the I don't think so though, but yeah. We usually do this thing where we rally, and then we chill out, and then we rally again, or like we get volatility, like into like 6 p.m. Eastern, till 7 8, and then we chill out, and then we do that again at like past midnight, right? So Matic says, "Hey guys, I would take you to the bridge if you want." Wow, Matic. Wow, Bitcoin isn't doing anything at all. Like it's selling off. Matic is thrusting. I'm impressed. I'm impressed there. So wow. Matic, when 70 is the question, Chris was asking. Hello, Edgar. Heyo. Not long or short. Yeah. Um, it depends who you're buying, and it depends, right? Depends. Depends who you're going long on. Depends who you're shorting. Right. If you're long Matic, you're celebrating. So, hello, Edgar. How are you? How are you? How are yous? Let's go. Michael says, "Hey, I am out, but I will be joining Discord in a few hours." Sounds good, Michael. So when you join Discord, just click on join on the channel, and then once you become a member, join. Make sure you sign up for the Discord level, and then just send me an email. Email at the top of your screen here, HotRateX, and I'll send you an invite, and then go from there. So again, just click on join on the channel, or yeah, yeah, and then send me an email, and I'll send you an invite, HotRateX, and then go from there. And then you just have to follow once you get the link, just follow the steps in the rules channel, and you should be good to go. Sounds good. Sounds good. Let's go. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. You guys. I need to play you guys. It's copyright though, so I won't do that. But I wanted to play you guys something from DJ Khaled's. DJ Khaled's Bitcoin. It relates to Bitcoin. It doesn't, but you can relate it to Bitcoin. Something about people Bitcoin saying, "You guys don't believe in me. You guys didn't believe in me. God did." Is what DJ Khaled's been screaming. That's the name of his new album too, I think. Come on, and we're going for a little. We're getting a lot of buys here now. Right, you can see his Bitcoin is pushing up a bit as well. So some buy orders coming through. Some buys. Yeah, someone just sold $1.2 million. Where's the Mbelly? Hey yo, how are you, Mbelly? Hey DJ, where's the base? It's I don't know where it is. I don't know where it is. Wow, Matic. Wow. Matic is an absolute monster. Wow, I'm impressed. Like I'm impressed with Matic. Matic. I'm impressed. What's GMT doing here still? 91. It's selling off a bit. Okay, you fine. Okay. Nah, nah. Sounds good. 1 second. I'm just quickly browsing through Twitter here to make sure we're not missing anything in terms of news. I don't think we are though. So there's not a whole lot of news other than just a huge sell-off and then a reaction higher with. He'd be comfortable starting to scale into Matic short um, with like maybe a 6% stop loss. Yeah, yeah, I agree with that. As long as you don't break above 65, yeah, I don't mind that. Why? I know a few people that have scaled in already into a Matic short. Um, I know a few people that have already. Right, again, especially since especially since we hit that double top, right? I know we broke above 65 but never quite closed above on a bigger time frame and then sold off, right? So yeah, again, I'm completely okay with that. um Closer to 65, right? Nothing wrong with that. So scale. Yeah. Then we're gonna, if you're shorting, you're really gonna need Bitcoin to not break above that 20,400, because if it does, Matic is thrusting still, right? So if you're scaling in short and Bitcoin breaks below $20,000 again, you're very happy, very happy. So very happy. Oh yeah, here comes the dipskis. Here we go. We are going to run again. As soon as you say that, Kelly, Bitcoin says who, where, to where? Let's go. Who, where? Um, BTC. Oh, scaling short. Oh no, Crystal is just another YouTuber. It's just another YouTuber. Yeah, just another YouTuber. YouTube's, crypto YouTube's. Yeah, no, they're a subscriber to this channel as well. I know. Yeah, Mike. Michael. Come on, let's get moving here. Yeah, we might have hit that point in the night where like it's a. We might have hit that point in the night where like it's a. Where we slow down a bit and digest. We might have hit that point tonight. Just traded my for Somatic for now. Are you screwed? Yeah, I'm saying you're screwed potentially. Key, not that it's a bad thing, M sense. I hope it does well for you, right? So, but you're selling Crow to go buy a Matic that's up 20%, right? So something that's rallied quite a bit. I hope it does well, and it might, right? So now you're digesting, right? Even though we could easily keep rallying idiots, even though we could keep Christo, um, you know, um, that you could do really well because Matic is really strong, right? The momentum is with it, and it clearly has some good news, right? But you're buying close to a double top. Um, you're selling Crow to go buy Matic at the double top. I'd rather have Matic than Crow, anyways. If you asked me this question like 2 months ago, a month ago, right? As soon as Crow did whatever they did with their rewards program, nah, no thanks, no thanks, right? I'd rather have Matic over Crow, anyways. But you just want to be careful the levels you're buying at, right? So again, I hope it does well for you because again, we've sold off. It clearly has a momentum and it could keep going. So yeah, but Crow sucks. Crow does suck, in my opinion. Um, Maybe it doesn't, but I'm just saying. I just don't. Shorting though. Michael's here. Let's go. Let's go. No, I can clearly see that, right? So we talked about this earlier for Matic. Matic is hitting a double top. The closer you get to 65, that double top is sitting right there. It's a level that we've been looking at, right? For shorting. Well, right? Because I know a lot of you guys do shorting, and a lot of you guys have questions, and we've talked about closer to 65, right? So I mean, so anywhere around that area, not a bad idea, right? So, but just be careful with the momentum, right? So again, you just want to make sure you keep protecting yourself with the stop loss, scaling in whatnot, right? So wait for it to go back to 60 to 61.5. Crystal for potential long, yeah. Next on the list to get traded, you also bought some Elon. Is okay? Elon is next on the list to get traded for you. Okay, let's okay. Elon, some Elon. Now let me pull up the day. Let me pull up a bigger time frame again for Matic here. Because again, Matic has done really well today. I want to see what the 4 hour looks like here, though. Is that the four? Yeah, that's the four, right? So you can kind of see what the issue is here for Matic. Um, right? So, um, right? So again, this level here closer to 65. There's a lot of resistance here, right? So we filled here multiple. We filled here multiple times now. So it's not the worst of spots to look for. You know what I mean? So like right there, fail. Right here, fail. Right, and we're feeling around the same area again. So that's not bad at all, right? So not bad at all, right? Is that the 1 minute? No, I don't want the 1 minute here. I want. I had it on the 3 minute. I think. Yeah, 3 minutes. Hmm. Is Maddie going to go for another rally there? What is he doing? I'm going to switch those candles. No, I'm going to leave the candles the way they are here. Regular candles for Matic. And we're getting some buy orders. Oh my goodness! Look at that! Look at that! Oh wow! Oh my goodness! Um, the reason I say that is because you guys don't see this, but I saw this thing flash green, and a whole bunch of buy orders came through, and then Bitcoin rallied a bit there, and then we had some sells, and yeah. Then thrusting. I'm just trying to think of why, like what happens as we get closer to the open tomorrow is what I'm thinking of here. Um, XRP, ADA, ETH, and BTC, and Sense. Okay, very nice. I like that list. I like it, except for maybe ETH. I like the list. So, ooh, ooh. Sell. These are M-Sense accounts. Dumping. Look at that. All right, and then we're selling off over there. So look at all those sell blocks come in there. Oh, $500,000, $300,000, 181, 200,000. Like where are these monies coming from, Krista? Where? Look at these sell blocks here. Who's selling? Where they getting the monies from? That is what I want to know. From where? Are you scaling in wide? Like, are you scaling into Matic short? Are you scaling in? Here we go. Let's see here. One second, guys. Just have to quickly and Bitcoin goes again. Rally. Yep. Right. So big blocks coming for buying, and then we rally. And since you're making monies on Matic, it's going up. It's going up. All long term, not worried about them now. No, exactly. M sense, yeah. And waiting till after crypto winter. Okay, sounds good. Yeah, nothing wrong with that, right? Nothing wrong with that at all. Whale hunting, yeah, that's where the monies is coming from. Big monies, yeah, big monies. Oh yeah, Matic is going. Matic is pumping here again now. Matic is going for the creating a little bit of an inverse there on the smaller time frame, but so we'll see what happens. See what happens there. Let me know if you have any last questions, guys. And then we can hop off and hang out in Discord because the night is not over yet, right? So there's gonna be a lot of there's gonna be a lot more of thrusting and dumping and pumping and dumping. So let me know if you have any last questions, and then we can hop off and hang out in Discord. I know Jason and Ian and Cam and Treats are all hanging out in there and watching crypto. So yeah, watching BTC and all the other positions. So yeah. So yeah, let me know if you have any last questions here, and then we can take a break. No, no. So don't forget to smash the like if you haven't already, and hit that subscribe if you're new. Gary says when Doge $1. Come on, Gary. Heyo. Listen out. Green days ahead. Hopefully. Hopefully. Gary, how are you? Gary says when Doge $1, guys. When Doge to $1. Uh, my last Revlon play was a 905. Interesting. 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 Yeah, I'm just quickly reading a thing on laughing at the market games. Yeah, the games everywhere. Honestly, Gary, what do you think? What are you thinking though, Gary? Like overall, crypto stonks. You think the games are over? People will be hanging out in the Hangout voice channel. M sense Hangout voice. Just everybody, right? Well, some people. So yeah. What are you thinking, Gary? For like sentiment, you think we've hit a bottom, right? Late August. Late August. Nope. Gary says late August. Late August. I was thinking late August. Okay. So you think we hit new lows, Gary? Okay. Late August. No. I've started scaling in a bit, but I am nervous. Now I did so. Yeah. Um, you are? Is it because is like what did you start scaling in at? What did you start scaling in at? Like, why are you nervous? Are you ready on that scale for now, or you're just concerned about the strength of it? I hope you're okay. I think we've done quite a bit. I see 100 basis points coming in late July. Yeah, I mean the fact that we had what is it 9.1% inflation this morning at the shop. See you in the morning. A green day. Let's go, Crystal. Right. So 75 is a given. Oh yeah, no. With the CPI data we had today, I think the Fed is gonna have to do 75. Right. I think the Fed is gonna have to do 75 there. But and you can see the price of the price of gas, for example, Gary start to go down. Um, so I was thinking again. So if we sell off into the next CPI data, that might be the time to buy the dip. All the dips, right? So because I think we might be hitting a peak. No Fed meeting in August. Okay, yeah, a peak, right? So again, no Fed meeting in August, right? So July, the Fed brings it down a little bit, right? And then we send it for a little bit of a run. He's trying to make it. Yeah, boy. Yeah. When is the rocket? Buy stonks. We need rockets. Rockets. Yeah, Crystal. No, have a wonderful night, Crystal, and have a wonderful night. And we will see you tomorrow morning with some thrusting. Some thrusting. Oh, yeah, Matic is strong. Wow. Matic is strong. Like Bitcoin is struggling and not really doing anything. Matic just wants to go. Again, if you're wondering why Matic has been pumping at 20%, is because they're doing a thing with the part of a Disney program. Um, part of a. It was a long article. It's in Discord. But yeah, Stacy. No, we're just let's go. Let's go. Again, don't forget to smash a like, hit that subscribe, and Jaboy, become a member. Stacy, become a member. Come join us in Discords, and everybody, become a member. Come join us in Discords. You can drop the hikes back to 50 midterms and then rocket and Lambos exactly, Gary. That's my thinking as well, right? So they're gonna have to do it before midterms, right? So we're gonna have a rally before midterms, before November. You're gonna have to get, people are gonna have to feel good about voting for the current party, right? So we're gonna rally at some point. I mean, like rally. So question is when. Well, maybe into there will be another big pump. I've done pretty well, judging. Things are beginning to break down, but I was wrong this time. Yeah. Why? Yeah. No, Matic is just again. Matic is a coin that's always strong, anyways. Like when the market recovers, always. And then you add a little bit of news now to that. Matic is like, excuse me, can I get some jetpacks too? Chris, I don't know what to tell you. I mean, like they do that all the time, though, right? All the time. They try and pump the market into elections. Look at Matic. Wow. Unbelievable. Still in August, but gradual climb. Yeah. I'm ready for some thrusting, Gary. Ready for pumping. Let's go. Ready to make some monies. When monies, Gary? Because we need to get back to, yeah. November, December, in your opinion? Yeah. November, December. They're gonna have to do it before November, though, right, Frothy? I think they're gonna have to do it before November. Because if elections are during November, right? November, that's when they're voting. Can do the can be pumping in the same month. You have to almost do it before, like recency bias. You have to do like a month before, so people can start to like feel good about yeah. But they will sell it right off. Matic is gonna pump. Matic has done really well today, Stacy. Really well. Really well. Really well. No, I wasn't quite sure what all the crap in now. Yeah, they are right. So I wasn't quite sure what Matic, what the whole thing meant, but this article explains it pretty well, right? So and this is just a Disney accelerated program. So that's what Matic got added to, and that's why it's been pumping today, right? So yeah, so Matic is providing a service, entertainment to Disney. So whether that's NFTs or whatnot, right? So no, almost want to look at some of these other ones here, right? So allows the not to build a Web3 experiences, so blah. Because it's sold. Welcome, guys. Your boy. Go buy it back. Then go buy it back. Go buy. Go buy. Get back in there. Get back in there. So we can so why can celebrate some short profits. and then rally again. To see BTC pull back and touch the 2017 high, it's in the bottom. We could text it. No, but a lot of money's lined up. Kelly, yeah. Oh yeah, there's lots of monies, lots of money's ready to go, right? So lots of money. Money sidelines have been waiting since last November. Yeah, there's money's ready to go. When Elon buys Twitter again, I don't know, honestly, Gary. Have you seen that meme? I don't think you have, Gary. I don't think you have. There's a meme about, like, Elon says at first they never wanted me to buy Twitter. It's a lot funnier when you see the pictures. I'll have to go find it. It's funny because Elon's face is on there and he posted it on Twitter. So let me see here. Let me see. Elon Musk. Elon. There it is. There it is. No, not that one. Copy link to tweet. What's good? Hey yo, Trey. Hey yo. How are you, Trey? How you been? I'm good, Trey. How are you? I'm good. So this is Elon posted this on Twitter. He said they said I couldn't buy Twitter. Then they said and then they wouldn't disclose bot info. And what virus and thrust. Now they want to force me to buy Twitter in courts. And now they have to disclose bot info in courts. And Elon just yeah, I think that's funny. Yeah, no, Trey, it's good to see you. Good to see you. Are you ready for for this crypto madness? Crypto madness. I think it's a pretty funny. Yeah, I think that's funny. He plays games. Oh yeah, Elon is a criminal. Elon is a big criminal. What are we doing here for Bitcoin? Bitcoin is dipping a bit here. Yeah, we are. Right, so little bits of a dip skis. Let me see what this looks like here. Interesting. Interesting. No, but let's go anyway. Let's go, Trey. What are you playing with, Trey? Are you playing with anything strong scripts? Are you playing with anything, or you just on the sidelines, just waiting? How's your night, virus? How's your night? How's your night? La 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 la. Ooh, someone just sold $1.4 million worth of Bitcoin. 69 Bitcoin, 68.269. Someone sold. Big monies. These are Gary accounts. Gary says, let me sell $1.4 million of Bitcoin because the bottom is not in yet. Let's go, Gary. Oh. Nah. It was Elon? Oh, yeah. 69, it was Elon. Yeah. There you go, 69. That was Elon. Say, hey, guys. You guys are watching this? Okay, let me give you something to look at. He is Satoshi. Elon Musk is. Would you be surprised, honestly, Stacy? Would you be surprised? Nah. I think Elon is got done 2-hour training and sparring. Wow, 2 hours. Nice. Very nice, virus. An animal. What's your name? Like what's your like everybody has a nickname. Everyone has a nickname. What's your nickname? Is it yeah. You want a game? 69. Sold, Gary. Sold. Elon will win the case. I think Elon is gonna win. I mean, does anybody win against Elon, guys? Anybody? Does anybody win against Elon? when Elon's posting stuff like this on Twitter, I mean, like, does anybody win against Elon? Time in the isn't trading. Time in the bedroom isn't trading. He bubbles. Yeah, he does, Gary, doesn't he? Yeah, he really does. Um, he really does. Uh, I'll spar with you, martial arts master. Yeah, no name yet. And the ones I do, maybe next year I'll add the name. Oh, okay, virus. Yeah, hopefully. Um, sounds good. Uh, wrestles with bears. I wrestle with goats. I wrestle with goats. Um, virus. Lotion master. And we might just slow down here and just slowly sell off a bit into the evening here, right? Into the evening, and then go from there. Again, guys, let me know if you have any last questions. Let's do 7 more minutes, 7 more minutes, 7 more minutes, and then we can hop off and take a break, right? Take a little break. Gel is coming down in price. No, Vaseline. Well, that's what it is, right? Vaseline. That's Vaseline. That's what virus is. Virus is in abundant supply. Petroleum jelly. Gary's been hiding from the markets. It's been quite the roller coaster. Gary says, yeah, let's not do this. Is that a Matic dropping? Yeah, Matic is. What's Matic at anyways in price? 61. Okay, cool. Little dips, and you can see whole bunch of selling coming through, right? So no surprise. Grocery prices, nah. Gary retires with millions. Gary retires with millions. Unbelievable. Gary, why didn't we even think about that? Grocery price, everything goes up in price. Gary retires with millions. Wow, wow, wow. Starting to add that up. Applying it for the people at the at the pump at the pump. At the pump. Ah, come on. Are you pumping here now too again? Yep, a little bit. Kelly, you're going to bed? Okay, sounds good. You're going to take a nap, so you can get up and watch the open. Tee off one. Wow, that's late. Yeah. Kelly, thank you very much for everything. Have a wonderful night. We will see you tomorrow morning. Don't sleep in, please and thank you. We have stonks. We have stonks in the morning, please and thank you. So rest and then open and then stonks. Thank you, Kelly. Have a good night. Good night. Good night. Good night. Let's see. Yeah, Bitcoin is all over the place on the 1 second chart. All over the place. All over the place. You think the market should be okay tomorrow? Yeah, I think so too. I mean, it's concerning when we sell off and close below 380, Gary. Um, but it did really well today, all things considered, right? So from crashing in the morning because of CPI to recovering all the way back up, that's impressive. So I would not be surprised if we if we were okay tomorrow, right? So we need to clear that 380 level there. 380, 385, 382, 385, and then 390. And if we can clear 380, that might be yeah. At $1, at $1, $1, at $1. PRQ. Now PRQs are done really well for you, Kelly. Really well, really well. I haven't looked at features either. Let me take a look. Kramer, by the way, said the bottom is inflation is in. Fed is warning against inflation despite red hot CPI. And then Jim Kramer says, yeah, Kramer says we've hit the peak for inflation, the peak. But then again, Kramer's an inverse ETF. Features. Yeah, features are currently slightly red, right? So slightly red there, slightly SPY. Yeah. No, I agree. So and that's what we talked about today, right? So Dumpton, no, I think like inflation peak is in too, right? So with the price of gas going down this month, right, guys? Good night. Don't know what time. Awake. I lost so much today, Nicholas. Hopefully you can recover, please, and thank you. Right. So where did the storm trade exactly? Right. So yeah. Some of these prices are starting to go down a bit. So oh, Matic is a monster. Matic like sells off and just recovers right away. So thanks, Jim. Dump it. Wow, look at Matic go. Matic says, "Hey, pump it, Matic," is what it's doing there. Yeah, I think Matic would need to break below like a bigger time frame there, why, and just close below a bigger time frame, like one of those again, the 200 EMA on an hourly or 45 or 30-minute chart, or the 15. Let me take a look at the 15 here for Matic actually. See what that looks like. 15 for Matic. Yeah, that thing is just hmm. I mean, was so like most of these moving averages are so like all the way down there, anyways, right? Crazy, crazy. But Matic does seem like it's finding a little bit of a top here, so right. Well, not a top, but like just losing, like you know what I mean. Like we're flagging, which is a nice thing, but that can also be a signal of a potential way down. So a way down. Alrighty, guys, we're gonna leave you there for the night, guys. Thank you very much for joining and hanging. Um, Bitcoin has done well, really well. See if we can stay above $20,000 tonight, right? If we break above 20,400, the rally on, right? 20,400 there. So if we break below $20,000 here, that's a problem for tonight. So don't forget to smash a like. You're like number 69. Let's go 69. Virus 69. Trey, it's good to see you always. Have a wonderful night. Take care. Matic, with Disney. Yeah, I'm hanging with Disney, yo. Yeah, no, Matic has done really well. Smash a like, hit that subscribe, and if you're not a member yet, come join us with the link Virus just shared there with Nightbot. So thank you, Stacy. Have a wonderful night, Gary. It's good to see you. Come on, catch up with you all soon. Okay, sounds good, Gary. It's good to see you. Gary's busy. Yeah, Gary says, "Let me make all the monies. The price of everything is going up. Let me make these monies before we start going down, and then I'll come back." And no, Gary, good job. Good to see you. Virus, have a wonderful night. Get some rest. And you won't. You won't. Jason, good night. Catch up with mayonnaise. um, Peter, have a wonderful night. See ya. See ya. And all the best. Thank you very much, Gary. Thank you. Say hi to family. Yeah, and yeah, Erin, let's go. Have a wonderful night, Erin. Get some rest. Get ready for tomorrow, Erin. You ready? Get ready for tomorrow, please, and thank you. And Belly, thank you very much. Have a wonderful night. We'll see you in Discord. You criminal. Alrighty, guys. Bye all. Bye, guys.